distinguished guest, respected parents and selected students. Good evening. First, let me start with giving this heartiest congratulations to the selected candidates here. But let me tell you that this is not your goal. Now, it is the beginning of your goal. You should dedicate from now onwards your entire energy, wisdom and innovation. For what? For the economic development of this state. Participate actively in the economic development. 24/7. This should be your goal. So don't think so that now I cracked, now I achieved my goal, now I am going to start my marriage life, have offspring. No, this should be your personal. But now you should think about what? That God has given me a great opportunity to serve this great, beautiful state. Second, to those students, I just want to convey, those who have somehow they not able to crack this exam in recent years, don't lose hope. Recently, UPSC has announced its final result of Civil Services examination, and I think that many among you are aware about the girl who topped this year UPSC Civil Services exam. You know, thrice she became failed. Thrice, first attempt, second attempt and third attempts, she was unable to crack the prelims examination. Then in the fourth, she somehow cracked the prelims, then mains, appeared in interview but then failed. Now in the fifth attempt, she appeared and finally she topped the UPSC Civil Services exam. So I am just giving you the message to those students who are not able to crack this exam in recent years. Don't lose hope. Talk to your parents, talk to your mentors. They are the remedy, they are the medicine, and with new vigor, with proper strategy, continue your preparation and crack this exam. Now, the third thing that I would like to say, especially about this JP Career Institute, particularly the director, I am giving my heartiest congratulations, deep to deepest congratulations to the director of this institute. Why? Because many might be aware that this institute is the topmost institute in Mizoram who is providing, giving a quality teaching in the field of civil services. And since 2013 to 2024, near about 69 students from this institute from the classroom. I am not saying only the interview program, because there are institutes who are just using the names of selected students, although those students are the part of only the interview program. They are not the part of entire classroom teaching. But as far as this JP Career Institute is concerned, these are selected students since 2023, I am saying, all are part of classroom teaching. So once again, congratulations to Director Sir, because giving such kind of quality education, bringing teachers from Delhi on regular basis in 2023 is not an easy task. And he has been in this noble profession since 2013 and serving the students, bringing the quality teachers, giving quality notes, proper test series, guiding them properly. Now, the fourth thing that I would like to say is that to the parents, that please talk to your, in this, because I have in different parts of India. Recently I was in Bangalore, and over there I met a few students who are from the South Mizoram, and they are really happy the way the quality education that they are getting in the Chanakya University of Bangalore. Then I asked them, ki, how you reached here? So they said, ki, sir, only because of my parents, because my parents are very active related to my career. So that's why I am saying, I am requesting to the parents ki, that be active, be supportive, be friend to your kids. Talk to them properly ki, whether you are facing any kind of problem, because we are in the age of reel. We lack patience. Nobody wants to talk properly. 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds. These are the era of reels. So this is the message to the parents. Next thing about this civil services examination, particularly the Mizoram civil services examination. Before 2 to 3 years before, only less than 12 seats or 10 seats were coming on regular basis. Now they have increased the number of seats. So that is the most welcome thing that I am getting, that I am welcoming, in fact, of the Mizoram Public Service Commission, that on regular basis they are increasing the number of seats. So that is going to benefit for whom? That is going to benefit for the students of this beautiful state. Whenever I be in Delhi, I always remember, I always miss Mizoram, because I have to face the toxic air of Delhi. Yesterday, in the last December 2024, I was taking class. I was really missing Mizoram because of this greenery. So yes, now one thing that I would say that negative trend started here is that there are few institutes who are claiming that these students belongs to that students belongs to those coaching. Please don't do that. This is a very noble profession. Profit making should be the secondary goal. The first goal is what? To help the students in making their career in a best way, in a very good way. So those institutes who are involved in this malpractices, please don't do that. In Delhi, what happened, that there were coaching institutes who used the name of so many selected candidates, and they started saying that these candidates belongs to my institute, these candidates belongs to my institutes. Total number of seats is 600, and they are saying that more than 590 selections are from my institute. This is not possible, and that's why in the last year government has fined those institutes. Now someone has informed me that this type of trend is coming to Aizawl as well. There are institutes which are taking credit that because of our effort, because of only my effort, that these students got selection. This is wrong. Students got selection because of the multiple things. First, starting from their family, from their parents, then came the mentors, and finally their energy, their dedication, and their wisdom. So if you are saying that only because of this is wrong, so please don't do that. Make this profession as a noble profession. So this is all about I have to say, and once again, best wishes to the selected candidates. Thank you.